Going to talk about the difference between an switch and the router. Now all three devices are all similar, but there is a difference in the way they handle data. So we'll first talk about the hub. Now the purpose of the hub is to connect all of your network devices together on an internal network. It's a device that has multiple ports that accepts Ethernet connections from network devices. Now a hub is considered not the intelligent because that does not filter any data or has any intelligence of that data is supposed to be sent. And as because the only thing a hub knows is when a device is connected to one of the port. So when a data packets arrives and one of the port, it is copied to all of the other port. So all the devices on the hub sees that data packets. So again, a data packet comes into one port, then the hub will just rebroadcast that data to every port that has a device connected to. So even if this computer here only wanting to communicate with this computer over here, these other computers will still receive the data even though the data was not intended for them. So when this happens, it not only creates security concern but also creates unnecessary traffic on the network which wastes bandwidth. Now, switch is very similar to a hub. It's also a device that has multiple ports that accepts Ethernet connection from network devices. But unlike hub, its switch is intelligent. Its switch can actually learn the physical addresses of the devices that are connected to, and it stores the data physical address or called MAC addresses in a table. So when a data packet sent to a switch, it's only directed to the intended destination port, unlike a hub or a hub which just rebroadcasts the data to every port. So as example, if this computer here want to communicate to this computer over here, the data packet arrives with a switch, and then switch will look at a table of MAC addresses and magic port and deliver the data to the correct port, and then the data packet will only go to that computer. So that's the major difference between a hub and a switch. So as a result, switches are far more preferred over hub because they reduce any unnecessary traffic on the network. So as a review, a hub only detects the device is physically connected to, and a switch can be detect a specific device that connected to because it keeps the record of the MAC address of those devices. Now, hubs in switches are used to exchange data within a local area network. For example, such as in your home network or in a business. They are not used to exchange data outside of own network, such as out on in the internet. Because to exchange or route data outside the own network to another network, such as out on the internet, a device is IP addresses, and hub and switches do not read IP addresses. So that's where the router comes in. Now router does exactly what its name implies. A router is a device that routes or forwards data from one network to another based on the IP address. When a data packet receives from router, the router and expects the data IP address and determines if the packets were meant for its own network or if it's meant for another network. If the router determines the data packets meant for its own network, it receives it, but it is not meant for its own network, it sends out all to another network. So a router is essentially the gateway of the network. So here we have a private network with its router, and we will represent this as red network indicated by red color screen on a computer. In over here we're going to have different data packets indicated by different colors which represent different IP addresses, and they are going to be incoming the red network router from the internet. Now the router is only going to accept the red data packets because they are only one that entered for this network. So all of the other data packets, yellows, blues, green, etc., will be rejected by this router because they weren't intended for this network, because their IP addresses were not meant for this network. Now here's the expanded view of the routers over the internet. There are four networks here indicated by different colors, and each network has their own routers along with the hub switches and the computers. So right now you can see each network is just exchanging information within the own network. Their data is not going out in the internet, so they are not communicating with another network. They are just exchanging data within their own network using the hub or switch. Now let's go ahead and exchange data between different networks. So let's say for example that this computer here on the red network wants to communicate with a computer here on the blue network. So for this to happen, the data packet has to leave their own network and go out on the internet. So the computer sends their data in a goes to the network's router. And once the data packet reaches the router look at the IP address of the data packet and then forward the data out of the internet to the next router, and then make it the way to the blue network to the router and then to the intended destination computer. So in the note share, this is how routers. So in conclusion, hubs is switches are used to create networks while router is for use to connect networks.